What if I told you your most flattering lip look takes under 5 minutes and looks like you saw a pro? Today I'm solving the most common ombre lip problems step by step, so your lips look plush, precise, and ridiculously smooth. First, the setup, because perfect ombre starts before color. Hydrate. Press on a thin layer of balm, then blot gently buff flaky lips with a damp washcloth. Smooth canvas equals smooth blend. Conceal the edges. Tap a tiny bit of concealer around your lip line. Erase old lines so the new shape pops. Shade strategy is everything. Pick 3, deep contour shade, your main lip color, lighter center shade, same undertone, different depths. Not sure on undertone? Quick test. Swatch pink swatch, neutral swatch warm. The one that disappears into your skin. Undertone is your family. Problem 1. Feathering and messy edges. Solution. Start with the liner. Overline Cupid's bow and the fullest point of the bottom lip connect softly along your natural line. Keep the pencil angled sideways to lay color, not harsh lines. Problem 2. Flat. Two-tone barcode lips. Solution. Shade the outer corners and a thin rim along the edges, leaving the center bare. Use tiny circular motions to blur inward by 2 to 3 millimeters. Now the magic blend. Apply the main color on the inner thirds, top and bottom stopping before the edges. Press lips together lightly. Don't rub, press. With a clean fingertip or a small fluffy brush, tap along the seam where dark meets main color. Tapping keeps pigment in place and builds that cloud-like fade. Problem 3. Harsh center highlight. Solution. Place your lightest shade only on the very center of the top and bottom lips. Think spotlight, not stripe. Then tap outward, 2 taps, no more. Problem 4. Uneven sides. Solution. Do the mirror flip check. Smile gently and compare both peaks of the Cupid's bow. Add the tiniest bit of depth to the lighter side so both match. Symmetry beats adding more product everywhere. Problem 5. It fades too fast. Solution. Layer smart. Blot once with tissue. Dust a whisper of translucent powder through tissue to set. Optional. Finish with a thin veil of balm or gloss only in the center, so the gradient stays crisp on the edges. Quick pro cues you'll love. For fuller lips, pull the contour shade slightly higher under the Cupid's bow and slightly lower under the bottom center. Instant lift and drop shadow. For a softer daytime look, swap the liner for a cool-toned brow pencil. It's sheer, blendy, and super natural. For deep skin tones, go richer instead of lighter for the center. Try a warm caramel or rose as your light for a believable glow. Before you head out, clean up. Trace a razor-thin line of concealer around the lower lip with a flat brush and tap it away. It's the crisp edge that makes the blend look pro. Now here's the curiosity kicker. If your gradient looks perfect straight on but disappears in selfies, your contrast is too low. Bump the outer depth half a shade darker, or add a cool-toned shadow with an eyeliner brush just at the corners. Watch the 3D pop on camera. You've got this. Ombre isn't complicated. It's controlled contrast, soft taps, and smart layers. Save this for your next night out and get ready for... Wait, how did you do your lips?